It's a big day for these graduating secondary students in Hong Kong, as they have just learned the results of their university entrance exams.
今日放榜，我覺得有少少喜出望外咯，即係有少少雨過天晴嘅感覺啊！咁即係感覺自己嘅努力係有 pay off 到啦。
完全唔緊張咯，係非常之放鬆啊，因為已經釋懷咗啦，即係自己都冇能力改變到啲咩咧，咁就已經坦然接受咗，所以係零緊張、零壓力咯。
The Diploma of Secondary Education, or DSE exam, determines who will be top candidates for post-secondary education, including places in Hong Kong's 8 public universities.
我就想讀傳理系咯，因為我想用呢個傳媒嘅力量去改變呢個世界啊。
This year, a record was set as 24 students achieved perfect scores. Aiden Chang from Hua Yan College is one of them, attaining the highest marks despite suffering from deteriorating vision due to a congenital eye condition. He plans to pursue a double degree in government and laws at the University of Hong Kong.
我其實就喺呢一個月都對即係大律師呢一個行業咧有更多嘅憧憬嘅。我係衷心地相信法律係能夠帶嚟平等，因為喺法律面前，無論你嗰個嘅背景啦，無論一啲嘅即係其他嘅事啦，法律係基於一套事實嘅原則，基於一套嘅程序，佢去進行翻即係一個應有嘅工作啦，去即係作出一個最公正嘅裁決嘅。我都會想希望可以幫到即係一啲對於法律嗰個嘅 accessibility 啊，嗰個可達度可能比較低嘅人啦，或者我哋有時會叫做 vulnerable 嘅 parties 啊。咁例如就係一啲嘅即係可能身體上面有殘，即係有殘疾啦嘅一啲嘅證人啦、被告人啊等等啦。
佢講過佢就話因為佢睇唔到嘛，有啲嘢即係睇得冇人哋睇得咁多，咁佢咪記住佢咯咁啊。
11 students earned the title of super top scorers with perfect marks in 7 subjects and an attained grade in citizenship and social development. St. Paul's Co-Educational College is home to 5 of this year's record 24 top scorers. All of them say they aim to study medicine.
I'd say that I'm not naturally the best at a lot of subjects like maths or sciences, so there was a time when I was really scared of these subjects and I just wanted to run away from them and never revise them at all. But then I realized that this could not be the solution to all of my problems, so I started taking up more prominent roles in science-related organizations like the Chemistry Club, and also join more science-related competitions. I guess this links to my aspiration of being a doctor because I want to help more people like me also have the courage to step out of my comfort zone.